Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie and Elsie, and we have a really fun grocery haul today, don't we?
Yes.
What are we prepping for?
My 13th birthday party.
Yes, that is tonight from 7 to 10 p.m. We're having an outdoor movie night. We have gorgeous October weather, so that really worked out for us. But we have a lot of things to get. We're doing pizza, popcorn, boxed candy, hot cider. It's going to be a simple party with lots of goodies, so let's go to the stores and get the goods. Okay, our first stop is Menards. We have one very specific thing we're here for. Put a guess in the comments if you think you know what it is, but I don't think anyone's gonna get it. Okay, so he's literally changing the prices as we're here, but we're getting one of every single flavor for the kids. So there's, except for we're not gonna get salt, we have salt. There's butter, kettle corn, nacho cheddar, garlic parmesan, ranch, sour cream and onion, dill pickle, chili limon. I'm questioning if we need to get this one, but that's the one we won't get, but white cheddar. They were $2.97 until we walked up. He was literally changing and he forgot one sticker. I can't not find humor in that. So this is what we came here for, because they have such a good selection. They have so many flavors and they have the best price. We'll have to check what it is at Meijer, but still, we're gonna get them here. We love Menards. And we also need to get popcorn, but I think I'm gonna save that for Meijer because I'll buy the off-brand. Okay, so my husband's making all the popcorn stovetop, but we are gonna get this movie theater butter because we have 2 kids coming with peanut allergies. I don't know if they're going to be comfortable with stovetop since we do use peanuts in our kitchen, not in making the popcorn, but I just want to have this as an option for the 2 peanut allergy kids. We'll see. We didn't realize some of these have $1 off, so yay, even though the price went up 40 cents, we're getting some of them $1 off. Woohoo! Okay, we're not getting paint right now, but where else can you get popcorn seasoning and also a color booklet for future choices you're making? We will be painting a daughter's bedroom in the future. Probably greens. Ooh. Okay, we're getting most of our candy from the Dollar Tree, but we're gonna get 5 mini Charleston chew boxes because we know the Dollar Tree doesn't have them, and we thought those would be a good option. And they're $1.24, which is which is a penny cheaper than the Dollar Tree, so score. I love these. I wouldn't mind if these are left over. Okay, so our total was $36.91 after those 3 coupons came off, and we will get $4.39 back in Menards rebates in the future. Okay, this is a big one. We're getting candy here and some paperwares and a birthday card for a party my son's going to tomorrow. So not necessarily related to this, but you know, if we're here, we're gonna get it. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, we got the cards. Now we're gonna get some decorations. Okay, to go with the white and pink ghost plates, we're gonna get pink and white crepe paper to go out by the pool shed. You'll see that shortly. I also really like this, and then I can use them on her presents when it's her actual birthday, but we can use these for decoration. Okay, we didn't plan to get this, but they have a plastic pink scoop, actually 2-piece set that I think will be perfect for scooping popcorn, so go ahead and get that. Now I'm looking for these right here, foam cups for the hot cider. I think this will be perfect. And then 45 is plenty. Now the main reason we came to the Dollar Tree. Because we're doing a movie night, we're getting movie theater boxes of candy. We're gonna get 60 of them, which is way more than we need, but we want kids to be able to pick what they want. And we are avoiding anything that has peanuts though for the allergies. So we're gonna get 10 M&Ms. We're getting 10 Junior Mints. We're gonna get 10 of these Sour Punch rainbow straws, 10 of the Sour Patch Kids zombies, and 10 Sour Mike and Ike's spooky treats. For her final 5, Elsie picked 5 of the watermelon Sour Patch Kids. So the goal is that kids can have a variety to choose from, but everyone gets 1 box. We did our damage at the Dollar Tree. Let's go see. Any guess on the total? We cannot believe how perfect that balloon is. We're gonna cover up the Happy Halloween, but they match her plates perfectly. Our total there was $81.74. Now we are heading to Aldi. We are at Aldi. We're gonna check the price of cider here, but I just saw it's on sale at Meijer, which is our last stop. So I thought for sure I'd get cider here. It's always better price, but unless it's $4.99 or less, we're gonna stick to Meijer. But we have a few other small things because Elsie's having 2 of her friends stay the night, and Dad's making them cinnamon roll waffles in the morning. Okay, well the good news is this isn't the best price, and there's only 2 of them and we need 6, so we'll pass. Matt made cinnamon roll waffles for himself for dinner when everyone else ate something different, but he's gonna make them again for breakfast this weekend with the sleepover. $2.19 for these. We're getting a bucket of vanilla ice cream. It's $5.95. That has nothing to do with the party, but since Matt knew we were coming here, he ran out. This will be our smallest haul. This is our smallest haul, and we are now moving on to Meijer. And our total here is $10.33. Final stop, cupcakes, and a few random things. This is definitely a time for a cart. Okay, so apple cider is $4.99 here, which is amazing. I got a little scared because it also says $7.99, but here it is, $4.99. We're getting 6 of them. We're serving it cold and hot. We are at the bakery where we ordered custom cakes online, and I do have a video coming out showing you the process of ordering custom cakes, but it's super easy. So we got whipped icing cupcakes, 36 of them. So here's 24, the other 12 are coming. Okay, so we almost never have issues with the custom cakes, but they didn't have what we ordered, so they're fixing the other 12 as we shop. So we've had really good luck. I'm surprised they didn't call us, but it is what it is. So we're gonna get, I think we're gonna get 3 bags of these, which is, I'm sure, way too much, but we also make popcorn all the time at our house, so it will not go to waste. And they're $2.79 a piece. I probably would have gotten yellow. Actually, I think I'm gonna get this. There's only 2 of them though. We'll get these 2 yellow and a real backup of a white, I guess. $3.19 a piece. No, yay, long arms come to win again. There's 3 yellows. We're getting them all. $3.19. Okay, so they are more expensive here. They're $3.69, but Elsie pointed out they have cinnamon roll and roasted garlic butter, which we don't have, so I told her we can get those too. The real cool thing is, we know we're not going to go through all these seasonings, but do we have popcorn all the time at our house?
Yes.
We are big fans of popcorn at night, so definitely going to use these. Okay, we got these. Not exactly what we ordered, but they're pretty cute. Okay, so we went to check out, and this brand is $7.99 for a gallon, and the Meijer brand is $4.99, which they only have 2 of, so we're going to ask them if they have more. But we paid for the rest of our stuff, so we're trying to sort out cider. Good news, they brought some out from the back for us, so we have 6, $4.99, not $7.99. Gotta save money when we can, right? Okay, obviously nothing to do with the party either, but my daughter texted me and asked me to get her some conditioner, knowing that we were at Meijer. It's buy one, get one 40% off, so I'm gonna get 2. Take 2 of checking out. Okay, so my 2 Meijer totals were $45.43. Then we had to go back, fix the cider, get the conditioner, $38.74. Okay, so before today's haul, we had bought this tablecloth and these plates and napkins for the party a few weeks ago, actually. Every pack was $3 a piece from Target. And then for the dinner plates, we have these left over, I think from last year or maybe even 2 years ago. And then we also had this birthday kit that was left over from my older daughter's 13th birthday party. So we have all the paperware almost taken care of. And we also had these cups. We bought a popcorn set on Amazon that arrived. It gives us 200 of these bags, and also a cute little outfit that you can wear if you're serving popcorn. It comes with an apron, a hat, and a bow tie. Not sure if anyone's gonna wear that. I'm trying to work on my husband. But really what we wanted were the 200 popcorn bags. The birthday kit from before also had 4 of these balloons that Elsie blew up last night that we're going to use for decorations. So none of this was acquired today. This was acquired new, and so were the popcorn bags. But let's get set up for the party now. We got all the goods. We spent a nice amount of money. The grand total right here. But it's all worth it. I love having big parties for my kids because I like to get to know the kids in their classes, their families, and I really like to be a safe place that kids can go to have fun. So, are you ready to celebrate?
Yes.